Have you ever held an old coin in your hand and wondered about the history it carries? Who spent it, where it traveled, or what stories it could tell? Coin collecting isn't just about money, it's about uncovering pieces of art, history, and hidden treasures that you can hold in your palm. In this video, I'll show you how to start your own coin collection step by step, whether you're looking for a fun hobby or a potential investment. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Coin Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Coin collecting, also known as numismatics, is one of the oldest and most rewarding hobbies in the world. It connects you with history, culture, and even global economies in a way no other hobby can. Today, I'll walk you through the essentials of coin collecting in clear, practical steps so you can begin your journey with confidence. Step number 1. Start with what you already have. The easiest way to begin coin collecting is to check your own pockets, piggy banks, or family coin jars. Everyday change often contains interesting pieces, state quarters, older designs, or even rare coins that people overlook. This step matters because it makes coin collecting accessible. You don't need to spend money to start. For example, many collectors began with the 50 state quarters program from the U.S. Mint. By simply paying attention to your change, you can begin spotting unique finds that spark curiosity and excitement. Step number 2. Learn the basics of coin grading. Not all coins are created equal. The same coin in mint condition could be worth 100 times more than one that's worn and scratched. Grading is the process of determining a coin's condition, ranging from poor to mint state. Learning this skill is critical because it helps you understand value and avoid overpaying for coins. Imagine two collectors. One buys a shiny-looking coin without checking. The other uses grading knowledge and spots a hidden flaw. The second collector makes a smart investment while the first may lose money. Step number 3. Choose a focus for your collection. Coin collecting can be overwhelming because there are so many types. Ancient coins, commemorative coins, era coins, silver and gold bullion, or coins from specific countries. That's why it helps to choose a theme or focus. Maybe you collect coins from your birth year, coins featuring animals, or world coins from countries you visited. A focused collection makes your hobby more meaningful and helps you set clear goals, like completing a full set of Lincoln pennies from 1909 to today. Step number 4. Get the right tools and supplies. Proper storage and handling protect your collection's value. At a minimum, you'll want coin holders, albums, gloves, and a magnifying glass. This step is essential because even a fingerprint or tiny scratch can dramatically reduce a coin's worth. For example, silver coins tarnish easily, but keeping them in acid-free holders maintains their shine for decades. Investing in the right tools not only preserves your collection but also makes it easier to organize and enjoy. Step number 5. Connect with other collectors. Coin collecting is much more rewarding when you share the journey with others. Join local coin clubs, online forums, or visit coin shows. This step matters because networking gives you access to knowledge, trade opportunities, and even rare coins that never appear on public marketplaces. Picture this. A collector at a local show trades you a missing coin from your series, and in return, you help them complete theirs. These connections turn your hobby into a community. Step number 6. Research before you buy. Before spending money, always research a coin's history, rarity, and current market value. Resources like the Red Book, a guidebook of United States coins, or online auction sites can help you stay informed. This prevents you from overpaying and teaches you to spot undervalued treasures. For instance, a coin listed online for $50 might be worth only $10 if you don't check references. On the flip side, careful research could help you snag a $500 coin for just $100. Knowledge is your best investment. Step number 7. Think long-term. Collect for passion, not just profit. While some coins can be incredibly valuable, true collectors know that passion drives longevity. If you only chase money, you may lose interest when prices dip. But if you collect coins that fascinate you, every addition feels like a win. Imagine passing your collection to a child or grandchild. It becomes a legacy filled with stories and history. That's the real treasure of coin collecting. Here are a few fun ways to apply these steps right now. You could begin a collection of world coins by asking friends who travel abroad to bring back change. You might start searching through bank rolls. Many collectors buy rolls of pennies or nickels from the bank to find rare dates. Or you could explore commemorative coins like Olympic or World Fair issues, which combine artistry with history. Each path offers a different adventure, and the best part is you get to choose. HowExpert Tip: look for error coins. Error coins, those with mistakes like double strikes, off-center images, or missing elements, are often overlooked in circulation but can be surprisingly valuable. Always check your change carefully. A 1955 double-die Lincoln penny, for example, is worth thousands today, even though it originally cost just 1 cent. When you follow these steps, starting with everyday coins, learning grading, focusing your collection, using proper tools, connecting with others, researching before buying, and collecting for passion, you'll not only build a valuable collection, but also enjoy a hobby that enriches your appreciation of history, art, and culture. Your challenge: check the coins in your pocket or purse today. Pick one that looks interesting and research its history. Is it common or rare, old or new? Take that single step and you'll be amazed how quickly you catch the collector's bug. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Coin Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.